Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're doing a quick update of the Beat Studio Pros. Now I promised y'all I was going to start doing some quick update videos, so here we go. Now when I did the Studio Pros, a lot of people asked me, is it worth upgrading from the Beat Studio 3s? Now to be honest with you, I haven't heard the Studio 3s in years, so I went in my collection, dug them out. So now we're going to do a quick side-by-side test. But one thing I will say that I do like better about the Studio 3s is the case. Remember you had the old hard shell case? I'm not a big fan of this new soft case. Okay, I don't like it at all. But other than that, I think this is going to be an upgrade because number one, micro USB charging. What year is this? Okay, that's unacceptable in 2023. Not to mention, these don't have transparency mode. With the Studio Pros, you got active noise cancellation and transparency mode, spatial audio, okay, USB Type-C charging. It's really an upgrade. But the thing is, how does it sound? Do they really sound better? Let's find out. All right, so let's do a little side-by-side test just for sound quality. Now, I got the same iPhones, same song, same settings, same volume, active noise cancellation turned off, max volume. Now, I promise y'all I'm not going to sing because we really want to test these out. So I'm going to start off with the Studio 3s. Here we go. Okay. Okay. I'm going to wait till you start going. Okay. Okay. 30 seconds. All right, now we'll go to the Studio Pros. Here we go. Okay, definitely cleaner. But the volume is actually a little lower. Let's make sure we got max volume. Yep. The volume sounds a little lower. But it sounds a little cleaner. Okay, now I want to see something real quick. Wow. Okay, the Studio 3s are actually louder in terms of volume. Now let me check that clarity one more time because it sounded like the Pros are a little bit more clear. Okay, now let's try the Pros one more time. Yeah, the Studio 3s are definitely louder. But now let's try something. Okay, so now we're going to turn on spatial audio. Okay, and we'll do the same test. Okay. Okay. Definitely cleaner. Cleaner sound quality. Yeah, okay. I see what's going on. Okay. All right, so here's the deal. Here's the deal. The Studio 3s are actually louder. But I don't mean better, louder. Like the volume is actually a little bit louder. But you can hear the music a lot cleaner with the Pros. Like you can hear the instrument, the separation. I would say the sound quality is definitely better on the Pros. But if you're buying earbuds or headphones for the gym and you're looking for strict volume, you just want the loudest headphones, the Studio 3s are actually louder. They're definitely louder. Now I want to check one more thing. Let's try a few different songs. All right, so I'm going to try another song on a different streaming platform. I got it set to the part where the beat drops. Let's start off with the Studio 3s. Okay. 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 Now for the pros. Okay. Now I want to see something. All right, let me see something. Okay, now I'm going to be honest with you. Again, the Studio 3s are definitely louder, but I would say the quality of the music, all right? If you're concerned with the quality, you want to hear more instrument separation, you want more of a cleaner, balanced sound, the Studio Pros. But for going to the gym, wow, this kind of just blew my mind. I think I'm going to bring these back out for the gym because I want volume. Now, I do want to test a few more songs, and I want to test out active noise cancellation, but I like having loud volume. These are definitely louder. Definitely. All right, so now let's do the bass test. Okay, I'm going to start up with the Studio 3s. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Y'all hear me not getting hyped? That means I'm really concentrating. Here we go to pros. Definitely less volume. Okay, now let me see something. Let me try that one more time. Okay. Okay. All right. Just as I suspected. Let's hit pause. Okay. Now, the volume is at max. If y'all seen it went down, I accidentally pressed the button, but it was at max. The volume is 100% louder. Not 100%, I mean, but it's definitely louder on the Studio 3s. But the clarity of the bass. If I had to choose between the two, I would go with the pros. You can tell the sound is more refined. That's the word I'm looking for. It's definitely more balanced and tuned. You can definitely hear the difference, though. These are louder. Okay, now these are on sale right now on Amazon for around 200 and I think the $18 is the cheapest I've seen it for. I don't know. If I had to pick between the two, I definitely need USB Type-C. I need spatial audio. Okay, I need transparency mode. Oh, matter of fact, let's check out active noise cancellation real quick. All right, so I'm not going to make y'all sit through the annoying baby test, but I did it off camera, and I got to be honest with y'all. The noise cancellation is pretty much about the same in my opinion. But here's the biggest difference that I noticed, the volume. You're getting more volume with the Studio 3s. So again, if you're buying headphones for the gym and you're just interested in pure volume, you got to go with the 3s over the pros. Now, if you're buying headphones for all-around daily use, then of course you want to go with the pros, more features, more technology. This is a nice little upgrade, but it's not the biggest upgrade in the world. Okay, I'm not going to try to oversell these. It's not the biggest upgrade in the world. But again, you got USB Type-C charging, spatial audio, okay? Supports the lossless music. I mean, this is just a nice little upgrade. But as far as sound quality versus sound quality, they're a little bit cleaner, but you're going to lose some volume if you're used to the Studio 3s. Just keep that in mind. Anyway, this is just a quick update video. Hit me up in the comments if y'all got any questions, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. All right, so let me answer one last question. Which ones am I going to use at the gym? The Studio 3s or the Studio Pros? Now, after doing a lot of thorough testing off camera, I'm going to go with the Studio Pros. Even though the Studio 3s have a little bit more volume, First of all, I could barely find a micro USB charging cable to charge these up for this video. I don't got time to add one into my car and to have to worry about looking for micro USB charging cables. I don't have time for that. Not to mention, I'd rather have spatial audio and transparency mode. Now, if I go to the gym in the daytime, not a big deal. But at nighttime, when all of my dudes are there, I end up talking to a lot of people. I need to have transparency mode on my workout headphones. This way I ain't got to keep taking them off. All right, so I'm going with the Studio Pros.